Alright, so we got a quad pack. We got 4 of the Boffman high octane. Now, on one of the bottom ones, we put one of our flow gates. You know what? I can't imagine having to access it for any reason at all, but at least we can. So that's what we do. Now this water is all draining towards a storm drain. We got slope towards the storm drain. Water would just be stuck back here. We're going to keep this an open French drain. We're going to actually put some of our I'm locking these pipes up for strength right now. I'm having the guys, you know, Scott and I always talk about what we're doing and why we are doing it. And I'm going to explain it to you. So we're taking a smaller stone just to tighten this quad pack up. And then we're going to have 1 3/4 inch stone go on top of this for a really nice finished look. So, and obviously I'll give you guys a look at that. Mr. Scott. All right, so right there, this is to the Boffman Gold. This is our flow gate that we like. So the water runs out of here, and it's not going to magically jump into the storm drain. I see people do this, and somehow they think that that's going to defy gravity, levitate, and go in. We went down 24 inches, and we core drilled through 12 inches of concrete. This is we're going to take this and we're going to wrap it so that it's surrounded by fabric, and then also surrounded by, on this side, some of that 1 3/4 inch. We're doing that in between the fence. It's going to be really nice, low maintenance for the homeowner. It's so wet back here, it's horrible. So they inherit everyone's water too. Now the water doesn't have to become flood water to actually make it into the storm drain catch basin. It's just going to fall through the stone into our French drain pipe that's under the stone, the high octane, and then it's going to get deposited right here in the city's culvert, the storm drain. All right, guys, till the next video.